Hello everybody, welcome to this video. This video I want to take a look to show you guys a Flutter layout cheat sheet, so you can check it out for yourself. You just have they have a table of content, row and columns, intrinsic height, width, and you have align new container, constraint box, expanded, image decoration, borders, and so on and so forth. Here you can see all the arrangement. It has all been made, and the code and snippet. These are them, so you can check it out for yourself. It almost carry all the layout of Flutter widget, so it's a little bit long, so you can check it out for yourself. Everything is here. Don't worry, I'm gonna post the link below. Expanded widget, how to create them. Here is a sample of the code, so everything is here. And again, another site again whereby you can get some good information concerning the Flutter. You can check out the Flutter web support updates. My screen I'm not yet loaded fully. That's why you can see a very blurry image. So let me try to refresh it and see how it's gonna look like. Yeah, you can see this is a Flutter web update. It's looking pretty cool. So you can check out this site, and don't worry, I will post the link down below. Fan of progressive web app. So this is it. And there's some bugs. I went through some of them, but I've not yet make a video on that. But later I'm gonna do a video on that, so as you can see. And also don't forget to check out this site. This site is used to, you understand, when you create your app, you implement a section where a user can report any bugs. As you can see the screenshot here, you take a screenshot and then you can send. So just check it out. You can send. You can, when you get started from here, maybe you can say click get started. To ask you to sign in. After you sign in, this is how it's going to look like. I've already signed in. Where dash hey code. This is my account. So from here you can easily create your project. So I'm not going to make a video on that, but I'll do it later. So I just want to just make a short video to show you guys all this thing, and know what I'm going to post all this link below. So from here you can create a project. You just give your project name. Let me just say let me just put CA, okay, chat, then create a project. So this is how your dashboard gonna look like. So from here you can do everything. When you create from here, you can do everything after creating your app. So let's go back. That is how it's gonna look like after you have created your app. All these things. If the user find any bug, the user will just take a screenshot and send it. And once the user send it, you refresh your page, you will get it here, just like your own message console. So that is it. So don't forget to check it out. Thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video. And if you are new in the channel, please subscribe. And until then, see you guys.